Our next presentation is a couple of lyrical plays. The Hero by Rabindranath Tagore is a touching lyric of a small boy who's physically weak and unwell, but nonetheless dreams of fighting and protecting his mother by putting his own life at risk. Through a fragment of his imagination, the poem takes us through his narrative, rich in imagery. The second lyric is the saga of the brave warrior, Prithviraj Chauhan.
Mother, let us imagine we are traveling and passing through a strange and dangerous country. You are riding in a palanquin and I am trotting by you on a red horse. It is evening and the sun goes down. The waste of Joradigi lies worn and grey before us. The land is desolate and barren. You're frightened and thinking, I know not where we have come to. I say to you, Mother, do not be afraid. The meadow is prickly with spiky grass, and through it runs a narrow, broken path. There are no cattle to be seen in the wide field. They have gone to their village stalls. It grows dark and dim on the land and sky, and we cannot tell where we are going. Suddenly, you call me and ask me in a whisper, what light is that near the bank? Just then, they burst out fearful yell and figures come running towards us. You sit crouched in your palanquin and repeat the names of the gods in prayer. The bearers, shaking in terror, hide themselves in the thorny bush. I shout to you, do not be afraid. Mother, I am here, with long sticks in their hands and hair all wild about their heads. They come nearer and nearer. I shout, have a care, you villains. One step more and you're dead men. They give another terrible yell and rush forward. You clutch my hand and say, dear boy, for heaven's sake, keep away from them. I say, Mother, just you watch me. Then I spur my horse for a wild gallop, and my sword and bucklers clash against each other. The fight becomes so fearful, Mother, that it would give you a cold shudder could you see it from your palanquin. Many of them fly, and a great number are cut to pieces. I know you're thinking, sitting all by yourself, that your boy must be dead by this time. But I come to you all stained with blood and say, Mother, the fight is over now. You come out and kiss me, pressing me to your heart, and you say to yourself, I don't know what I should do if I hadn't my boy to escort me. 1,000 useless things happen day after day, and why couldn't such thing come true by chance? It would be like a story in a book. My brother would say, Is it possible? I always thought he was so delicate. Our village people would all say in amazement, Was it not lucky that the boy was with his mother?
एक ऐसा शासक जिसे दुश्मन की तलवार न मार सकी, एक ऐसा शासक जिसने मोहम्मद गोरी को 17 बार युद्ध में हराया, एक ऐसा शासक जिसका प्रेम भी अमर हुआ, एक ऐसा शासक जिसने मरते दम तक दोस्ती निभाई। जी हाँ, और वह पृथ्वीराज चौहान, जो एक सच्चे राजपूत और दरिया दिल इंसान थे, जिन्होंने अपने दुश्मन को 17 बार माफ किया, अपने प्यार को पाने के लिए युद्ध किया। आज हम उनकी वीर गाथा को सुनेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
बांस 24 गज अंगुल अष्ट प्रमाण, ताऊ पर सुल्तान है मत चूके चौहान।
हो जान करी कुर्बान, राखी आजादी हिंदुस्तान में, नमन है राजा वीर पुरुष मर पृथ्वीराज चौहान ने, और शब्द भेदी भी बाण ने जो काग्या गौरी प्राण ने, आंख गवाई धाक दिखाई मारे पृथ्वीराज चौहान ने। काल में जन्मया 2 सपूत चंद्रवर्दाई और चौहान ने, और झुका न पायो टेम बोमाड़ो अमर भी स्वाभिमान ने, सोमेश्वरा का पुत्र पिथौरा हिंद के भी तूफान ने। बोलो जय जयकारा हिंदुस्तान का, बोलो जय जयकारा हिंदुस्तान का। 16 लड़ाई लड़के बचाई मातृभूमि की आन ने, जिसने वंदे मातरम के गान को, आजाद हिंद गाने वाली उस वीर की जबान को। बोलो जय जयकारा हिंदुस्तान का, बोलो जय जयकारा हिंदुस्तान का।
Who doesn't love a spicy plate of biryani? But no one loves to share it. Sindabad has the perfect product to give you a solution for that.
while embracing a life of a hermit. Bhim had to struggle with food. Now he has the perfect resolution. Let's hear from him.
I am Sindbad. Have you ever fought with someone? Are people asking you to give them a treat? Are you too lazy to cook for guests? Try Rekha, Jaya, Deepika और संजना सबकी पसंद zesty biryani masala. After cooking with this biryani masala, you will surely be happy because all your guests will run away and never bug you to invite them to your place. Read the packet carefully before investing in this product. Zesty biryani masala. I am Bhim.
अकेले अकेले क्या खाना बना रहे हो? I decided to live in the mountains, so I left my home. But how do I sustain and what do I eat? Then I found chunky noodles, extra spicy, that can make you cry and say, Mamma Mia! Bachao bhaiya! Chunky noodles.